Hello everyone. Today's topic is Roman numerals. Priya was looking at the wall clock. She got confused with the symbols on the clock. What number is represented by V? What number is represented by V? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 is represented by V. What symbol is used to represent 10? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the symbol X is used to represent 10. These symbols are called Roman numerals. There are 7 basic symbols to represent different numerals. These are as follows. For Hindu Arabic number 1, the letter used is I or a small vertical line. For the number 5, letter V is used. For the number 10, letter X is used. For the number 50, alphabet L is used. For the number 100, alphabet C is used. For the number 500, alphabet D is used. And for the number 1000, alphabet M is used. You can use this phrase to remember the Roman numerals in descending order. My dear cat loves extra vitamin I. My dear cat loves extra vitamin I. We can form different Roman numerals using these symbols and by following the rules which are explained as follows. Rule number 1. If a symbol is repeated one after the other, its value is added as many times as it occurs. For example, 1, 1, 1. It will add it to 3. X, 10 plus 10 equals to 20. C, 100 plus 100 plus 100 equals to 300. M, 1000 plus 1000 is equals to 2000. Rule number 2. The symbol I, X, C and M can be repeated up to maximum 3 times. For example, 1, 2, 3. But 4 cannot be represented as 4 eyes. X denote 10, double X denote 20, triple X denote 30 because any symbol X is repeated up to maximum 3 times. So 40 cannot be represented as 4 times X. Similarly, C represented as 100, double C represented as 200, triple C is represented as 300, symbol C is also repeated 3 times only. So 400 cannot be represented as 4 times C. Symbol M represent 1000, double M represent 2000, triple M represent 3000, symbol M also can be repeated up to maximum 3 times. So 4000 cannot be represented as 4 times M. In the rule number 2, we have already discussed that symbol I, X, C and M can be repeated up to maximum 3 times. So we are left with symbol V, L and D. So rule number 3 indicates that symbol V, L and D can never be repeated. V represent 5, L represent 50 and D represent 500. Rule number 4. If a symbol with a smaller value is written on the right side of a symbol with a greater value, then its value is added to the value of the greater symbol. For example, X represent 10. 1 plus 1 is equals to 12. 1 is the smaller value which is written on the right side of the greater value, so it will be added. L represent 50, X represent 10, so X smaller value is written on the right side of the greater value, so it will be added 50 plus 10 is equals to 60. Similarly, D represent 500, C represent 100. So 500 plus triple C, that means triple 100. X represent 10, so it will equivalent to 810. Now see, X represent 10 plus 10 plus 1. The smaller value 1 is written on the right side of the two greater value, so it will be added to the greater value. So 21. D represent 500, C represent 100. So the smaller value is written to the right side of the larger value, greater value, so it will be added to that greater value. It will equivalent to 600. Rule number 5. If a symbol with smaller value is written on the left of a symbol with greater value, then its value is subtracted from the value of the greater symbol. For example, 1 and V represent 5. Smaller value is written on the left side of the bigger value, larger value. So 5 minus 1 is equals to 4. Similarly, the smaller value 1 is written on the left side of the greater value, that is 10. So 1 is subtracted from 10. It will give you 9. X represent 10. L represent 50. The smaller value 10 is written on the left side of 50. So 10 is subtracted from 50. You will get 40. Now see here. X represent 10. C represent 100. So the smaller value 10 is written on the left side of the greater value 100. So 10 is subtracted from 100. You will get 90. So 90 is written as XC. Similarly, C represent 100. D represent 500. So the smaller value 100 is written on the left side of the larger value, that is D. So 100 is subtracted from 500. You will get 400. This is the rule number 5. Rule number 6. This is the last rule. Since we have 7 Roman numerals, rule number 6 indicates that V, L and D can never be subtracted. V, L and D can never be subtracted. That is 5, 50 and 500 can never be subtracted. 1 can be subtracted from 5 and 10 only. X symbol represent 10. 10 can be subtracted from 50 and 100 only. C represent 100. 100 can be subtracted from D and M only.